Hello, welcome back to CapSim Capstone 2024-2025 top 10 winning tips. Round 3 on the decision to get the top result. You can see the other videos for round 1 and round 2 details to get the top result here. You see that on the screen. And we get the strategy, the right strategy, then we can get the top sales and top profits like you see on the screen for round 2. The screen for round 2 result. And the stock price will keep go up if you apply the same strategy. Do not copy the number, use the strategy and customize that for your game. Adjust the strategy for your game. For round 3, we are going to focus on the 6th decision. I show you the detail now. First, we update the INT here for the 5 existing product and the new product we add in round 1, new product in round 2, and round 3 we developed one new product here. Focus on one of the 3 segments, high-end performance side. In this case example, we apply for the performance, and then we set decision for the marketing. For the marketing, we keep reduce the price 50 cents each round to gain the most competitiveness. You can check the price here for the 5 segment to see that we have the top sales here, right? See that top sales here. So we just reduce the price. We don't need to be the lowest price, so we need to be the most competitive price, and so we can get the top sales here and then still get the good contribution margin, right? You see that here, right? So the top price, and you see here leading with the top sales, right? Top market share you see on the screen. And then for the 5 segments, so we get the top sales in all the 5 segments, and then we contribute to apply strong promotion and sales here. For the new product, apply half because half year to sell. Then we calculate the sales forecast using table 4. Here we get this number, the unit we sold here and the inventory here. You can use Excel file to calculate the sales forecast. Download the Excel file to calculate the sales forecast using the inventories and unit we sold here and inventories segment growth here. For round 3, we always have the total market demand recession, so add about 10% or 20% to keep some inventories and avoid too much inventory. For production, we have here the sales forecast and inventories here, so we can set production schedule. We keep increasing the automation for the traditional here and low end to 7 and 9, and update for the new product here. We buy the new capacity for the new 3 products and also set automation. We have the total budget here, right? For HR, we can use about again 3,040 hours. From next round, we can use a max 5,080 hours. But from next round, to get the best workforce for finance, about 3, we use a stock issue here, max short-term dash and max long-term dash, right? We issue some dividends. For the TQM decision for TQM, we can use 1,000 for all the 10 initiative, and you can see that we can have very high sales here and 35% of contribution margin and nearly 20 million of net profit. Compared with the result of last round, we can increase about 100 million from 200 million to nearly 300 million of sales, and also we can increase the profit from 7 to 20. We still apply very strong promotion and sales here. That's an overview of all the decision for the round 3. Again, do not copy the number. You can use a strategy and customize, adjust the strategy for your game, because the number may be different from student to student, but you can always use a strategy, the broad differentiation strategy. If you have any question, you send the email to mbasim.farid@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2 to get the top result like you see on the screen. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.